How to fix there was an error trying to load your shopping cart. Error on Steam. When the Steam servers are down, you may encounter a shopping cart error due to the inability to retrieve data. Checking the server status will let you know if the issue is on Steam's end, and if so, there's nothing to do but wait until the service is restored. Clearing your web browser's cache removes old and potentially corrupt data that might be causing the shopping cart error. This process ensures that your browser loads the most recent version of the Steam website. Running Steam as an administrator can resolve issues caused by restricted permissions. This allows Steam to access necessary system resources that might be otherwise unavailable due to user privilege restrictions. Windows has a built-in tool for diagnosing and resolving network problems which can fix issues preventing Steam from loading your shopping cart. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.